Hey there, little explorers! Are you ready for an amazing adventure? Today we're going on a special trip to the zoo. But this isn't just any zoo visit. We're going to meet some incredible animals and learn their sounds. Have you ever wondered what noise a giraffe makes? Or how loud a lion's roar really is? Well, get ready to find out. Let's start our zoo journey. Our first stop is the big cat area. Look at that beautiful lion. His golden mane shines in the sun. Lions are known for their mighty roar. Let's hear it. Wow, that was loud, wasn't it? Next to the lion, we see a graceful tiger. Tigers are orange with black stripes. No two tigers have the same stripe pattern. Tigers make a sound called chuffing. It's like this. Let's move on to the monkey enclosure. Look at those playful monkeys swinging from branch to branch. Monkeys make lots of different sounds. Here's one. Now we're at the elephant area. Elephants are huge. Look at their long trunks and big ears. Elephants make a loud trumpeting sound. Here it is. Let's visit the bird section next. Look at all the colorful birds. Did you know parrots are known for mimicking sounds? They almost sound like they are saying hello. Let's visit the bear area now. Bears are big and strong, but they can also be playful. Bears make different sounds, but one common sound is growling. Here it is. Our next stop is the wolf enclosure. Wolves live in packs and work together to hunt. You've probably heard wolves howl before. It sounds like this. Wow, what an amazing trip to the zoo. We saw so many incredible animals and heard their unique sounds. Which animal sound was your favorite? Remember, all these animals are important parts of our world. We should always treat them with kindness and respect. Thanks for joining our zoo adventure today. If you enjoyed our trip, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more animal adventures. See you next time, little explorers!